Finally, we are coming to this reproductive medicine. Here, we should know, before going to this reproductive medicine, there are other transcutaneous procedures that are being done. So, one such example would be like iontophoresis. The physician is going to pass electric current and thereby treat the disease. So, we have transcutaneous assessment of this bilirubin levels. All those can be selected via the codes from that section, and we also have something called like morphometry, where just like cytometry, the external appearance of the cells are being studied, which is coming under morphometry. Finally, with the reproductive medicine, you can expect questions here. What happens with reproductive medicine with so much of assisted and fertilization techniques that are available right now? So now they are going to preserve the sperm, the ovum and the oocyte. So before that, you need to know what exactly is an oocyte. An oocyte becomes a mature ovum. Then what is an embryo? Embryo is a product of fertilization, that is zygote. So zygote, when it undergoes various mitotic division, the zygote becomes a embryo. There can be various techniques that can be done for this assisted reproductive methods like in vitro fertilization, where you have to code for the storage, right? Because embryos, the sperms and this ovum can be stored for years together. So accordingly, for that service, you can capture that with the storage services. We also have something like cryopreservation,